ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। 101 sentence number. प्रशस्तिं dash प्राप्नुवन् बालाय ते धनं दत्तवन्तः. So ते धनं दत्तवन्तः, they दत्तवन्तः निष्ठा प्रत्यय. So दादातु plus तवतु. दादातु plus तवतु become not दातवान्, becomes दत्तवान् 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 दत्तवत् दत्तवान् दत्तवन्तो दत्तवन्तः. We have a sutram. Dodha dad, one sutram is there. I mean, not dodha, one sutram. By that, nishtha pratyaya follows. Do dad go ho, one sutram. By that sutra, da dhatu, gu sangika da dhatu. When takaradi pratyaya follows, dad adeshaha bhavati. So da will come dad. Dad plus tavatu, then karicha will apply datta vat. This is from the da dhatu. Da dhatu plus tavatu. Tavatu or ta pratyaya, whatever it is. Then da will be replaced by dad. It's a sutra. It's a rule. Do dad go ho, gu sangika dhato ho, da will be replaced by dad. Therefore, dad plus tavatu. And after that, what happens? This is a jal letter followed by kar. Therefore, sharta vidhi, karicha, dattavat. Therefore, dattavan, dattavanto, dattavantaha. Ke dattavantaha? Te. Kim dattavantaha? Dhanam dattavantaha. Kasmai? Balaya. Now here you have to fill up. Prashastim prapnuvan. Prapnuvan iti pratama vibhakti is there. So what will come in that blank? Tritiya.
1 second. Ramaya. Is it?
Ramaya, not Ramaya. Ramaya,
Okay.
Balaya, Chhatraya, Krishnaya, Ishvaraya, Ganeshaya.
Okay. So then Chaturthi. Afternoon.
What will come?
Prapnuvate.
Prapnuvate. Prapnuvan, prapnuvanto, prapnuvantah, prapnuvantam, prapnuvantam, prapnuvataha, prapnuvata, prapnuvatyam, prapnuvatbihi, prapnuvate, marute, or pachate, whatever it is. Shatranta. Prapnuvan, prapurvaka abdatu. How do you get the prapnuvate? Prapnuvan, prapurvaka abdatu, then shatru prataya. Then what happens? Pra plus, a plus, then what's the next step?
1 second.
Shatra is a sarvadhataka prataya, kartari. Kartari sarvadhatake prataya pare. When a sarvadhataka prataya follows, then Ganavikarna will come. That's what it said. Shatra is what? Sarvadhataka prataya. Shitva sarvadhatakam. Ganavikarna comes. Then pra plus ap plus Ganavikarna is nu. Then at. Then what happens after that? U of Ganavikarna, that nu is preceded by a conjunct. Therefore, U will be replaced by Uvang. At the beginning itself, we saw. You can check your notes.
Is good.
It is not N Sandhi. U plus I is not N Sandhi. It is Uvang Adesha. Therefore, Pra plus A plus Nu will be replaced by Nu. Nu plus At. Then pra plus ap is prap. Prapnu. Prapnuvat. That's how you get prapnuvat. Prapnuvat is a pradipadikam. Don't do Yansandi. Then you will get a wrong thing. When Shnu Ganavikarnas U is preceded by a conjunct, then U will be replaced by Uvang Adesha. Uva Adesha. Prapnuvat. That's how you get prapnuvat. When you decline prapnuvan, prapnuvanto, prapnuvantaha, Chilinge prapnavati, right? Then follow, right?
Yes.
Guruji, but
Mm.
is Prapnavan, is it qualifying Te or is it qualifying Balaya?
Balaya is Chaturthi, therefore prapnavate. Chaturthi Vakti Ekavachanam. Prashastim prapnavate. Prashasti means fame, prize.
So having obtained prize, they gave money to the girl. That is the translation.
Prashastim prapnavate balaya. Bala, the boy who had gained fame, to him they give money. Okay.
Oh.
Who prapnavate is present participle. Who has gained prashasti, fame, to him they gave money.
Okay. Sorry.
Bhagavad, yeah. What's the question?
No, I understood it wrongly. Yeah. Okay. I thought Balaya, it's feminine. Yeah.
Balaya is Pullinga, Ramaya. Balaya.
Okay.
If it is Srilinga, then Balayai. So Balayai, then what will be the year? Okay, that's good. You said that. Prashastim Prapnuvate. Suppose if it is Balayai, then what would be that?
Ap dhatu is which kana?
Fifth conjugation. Nu is there. Shnu.
Okay, yeah. For fifth conjugation, num
Hmm.
bhavati. Prapnovati will be the Pratipadika.
Yes, prapnavati. Then prapnu vatyai it will be.
Vati.
Prapnavat is here. Then Srilinge it will be. It will be prapnuvat plus ni pratyaya. Then what will happen? Ni pratyaya pare. It is not 1, 4, 6, 10. So no numagama business there. Just join. Prapnavati is the pratipadika. So therefore prapnavatyai. Balayai prapnavatyai. Deenadyai prapnavatyai. Okay. Then Bhagavad Gita Shrinvan Bhaktena Anandaha Anubhutaha. Again, here also Ananda is experienced by the Bhakta, having listened to the Gita. Simple one. Shrinvan becomes Shrinvan, not Shrinvan. Shrinvan becomes
Hiranvata.
Shrinvata. Dhatu is first conjugation. Shrinvata. Shrinvata Bhaktena. Not Shrinvata. Shrinvata. Okay. Then Patantaha, with bracket, Balakeshu Satyanarayanaha Unnataha.
Unnataha.
Unnataha means great. Great. Unnataha. What's the
So,
answer?
and answer is Patati. Balakeshu. 7-3. Patatsu.
Patish.
Patatsu, not Patatsu. Marutsu, same. Patatsu Balakeshu Satyanarayanaha Unnataha. Among the boys who read, who study, Satyanarayana is the name, is great, greater, Unnataha, great. This is Saptami is Nirdharana Saptami. Nirdharanam, selecting one among the many. Balakeshu Satyanarayanaha Unnataha. Balakeshu, the Samudaya. From a group, you are distinguishing the person, Narayana. In the distinguishing factor is Unnataha. For Nirdharana Saptami, this is called. Then Tatra Nrityan Chatrasya Pita Natarajaha.
Nityataha.
Yes.
Nityataha.
Nrityataha Shashti. Tatra Nrityataha Chatrasya Pita Natarajaha. Simple one. Atape Kridantaha Yuvakebhyaha Shitala Peyam Rochate. What is Shitala Peyam? Cool drink.
Cold water. Okay.
Or cold water. Rochate. Rochate is Ruchdatu. Karta will be in Sampradana. So it's not Karta anymore, it is Sampradana. And Karma will be in Pratama Vibhakti.
Oh.
I think we did before something Karmani and all. I'm not sure. You can check and tell me later. We will try Karmani also here. So Rochate. Kasmai Rochate. Kebhyaha Rochate. Yuvakebhyaha Rochate. Karta. It's no more Karta. It cannot enjoy both Sanya. It's no more Karta Karakam. It is Sampradana. Chaturthi Vibhakti it will take. Sarul. Uchyartanam Priyamanaha.
Dhatu.
Paruch Dhatu.
For only for Ruchta. Okay.
So the one who likes, that will be Sampradana. It's not karta. And karma will be in pratama. It's not karmani prayoga. This is how it is. This is not, how to say, Sampradana will be, the karta will be Sampradana, therefore it's not karta anymore. And Shitalapriyam Rochate, Shitalapriyam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. That becomes the subject. That becomes the subject. Okay. So now what is the answer? Atape,
Vidadbhyah.
Idadbhyah.
Kridadbhyaha, Yuvakebhyaha. Kridadbhyaha, Yuvakebhyaha, Shitalapriyam Rochate. This is Kartari. What will be the Karmani? Suppose we do Karmani of this. Karmani is Karta will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. This is Kartari Prayoga. In Kartari Prayoga, Karta will be in Sampradana. And what he likes, that is in the subject. In Karmani Prayoga, what will happen? Here, Rochate, by that what is Abhigita, Shitala Prayam. In Karmani becomes Ruchyate. So Shitala Prayam will become
It will remain.
Shitala Prayam is 1-1. Here it is 1-1.
So it should become 3-1.
Shitala Prayam is 1-1. And here it is 4. It is no more karma, it is apadana, it is sampradana karata. So, Atape Kiridadbhyaha Yuvakebhyaha, I think this is something I've never come across the Karmani Prayoga of Ruchyate. Anyway, I think we did once before. I have to check what I did. I'm not sure. This Ruchyate is something because it doesn't enjoy Karta Sanya. Karta, that's Karta, Anabhigita Karta will be Tritiya Vibhakti. But it is not Karta anymore. Therefore, I think this will never change. It will remain as it is. And this is Shitala Priyam Rochate. Shitala Priyam is 1-1. So that will become Shitala Priyena Rochate. This is what I think I have to check also, the form. Atape Kiridadbhyaha Yuvakebhyaha Shitala Priyena Ruchyate. I'm not sure about this. Any other rule, any other thing apply here? Shitala Priyena Ruchyate. Here, what is Abhigita? That becomes Anabhigita in Karmani. That's how simple I take it. Shitala Priyena. And Yuvakebhyaha, that is already in Chaturthi. Nothing will happen to it. 1 minute. Let me check what we did before also. I think before also we did. Ruchyate. In the beginning somewhere we did Ruchyate. Find. Or Rochate.
It's not coming in the search.
Hmm?
The
What?
typing is no. If you're typing in the search box, it's not going there. That's what.
Search box from the beginning. Yeah, here it is. 93 we did. Well, let me check again. And this is 22 also we did. And 79 also. Now 105. Again I will check. 93 here. This is wrong, I think, what we did before. Because this is Sampradana Karaka. Sampradana will remain Sampradana. It will not change. Pataha na rochate. Pataha na rochate. If Pataha is Karmani, then becomes Karmani Priyaha. It is not Karmani Priyaha. Therefore, Pathena na ruchyate. I'm changing. Okay. This already we did. I think that's one. No. Kridadbhyaha balakebhyaha. This will not change because this is no more karta. It is sampradana karaka. Ruchidatu will govern the one person who likes in Chaturthi. No, not govern. Chaturthi Bhakti is fine, but it gets sampradana sangya, therefore Chaturthi Bhakti. Sampradanatvat. In Karmani Priyaha, Sampradana will remain as it is. So for Kridadbhyaha balakebhyaha, and what is Abhigita here? It is Rochate. Pataha rochate. If it is pato, then rochete. Pataha rochante. This is Abhigitam. And that becomes Anabhigita in Karmani. So that's a logic. Therefore, patena na rochate. So Kridadbhyaha balakebhyaha patena na rochate. That would be proper. Okay. So in the beginning I thought this is Karta, therefore Karta will be in Tritiya, but it is not so. Okay. I'm not having any proof for it, but this is what makes sense. Similarly here also. Number 22. Atape. Already this, okay, this we have done. Atape Kridadbhyaha. Kridadbhyaha Yuvakebhyaha. It must be Yuvakebhyaha. Chaturthi. Sitalapeyena. This is Ruchyate. Sitalapeyam is Abhigitam here. That which is Abhigitam, that becomes Anabhigita in Karmani. Sitalapeyena Ruchyate. Then number 70 also. Kridadbhyaha balakebhyaha. Then Pataha Pathena. Patena na ruchyate. That is proper. Change it. I don't have proof, but this is what makes sense. Now coming back to this. Atape Kridadbhyaha Sampradana Karaka. The rule is in Karmani, Karma will win Pratama, Karta will win Tritiya. That's all. Other Karakas will remain as it is. So taking this sentence, here Atape Adhikarana Karaka, Kridadbhyaha Yokebhyaha Sampradana Karaka will remain as it is. And here Sheetalapayam Rochate, in Kartari Paya Sheetalapayam, that is a subject. Ruchidatu, that is how it is. Ruchyartaram Priya. So in Karmani, what will happen? Ruchyate, when we say, then it becomes Anabhigita. Anabhigitatva Tritiya Bhaktihi. Sheetalapayena Ruchyate. This makes sense. Okay. Still, I have to get some proof for it. I'm not, I don't see. This must
Because
be.
if there is a sutra only for Kartari Prayoga Ruchidhatu, then maybe what we did earlier
There is no other thing. We don't have any sutra for Karmani and all. Simple. Karmani, I mean, Karma will be Abhigita in Kartari. Simple. Karma is Anabhigita in Kartari. And Karma is Abhigitam in Karmani. So if Kartari Priyaha, what is Abhigitam? Sheetalapayam. In keeping with this, the Kriya Padam changes. Therefore, this is what Abhigita. That becomes Anabhigita in Karmani. Anabhigitatva, therefore, Anabhigita. This becomes Anabhigita. Therefore, make it as Tritiya. This I'm sure this will not change. This cannot change. But this Shitalapeyam, Kartari, what is Abhigitam is Karta. So therefore, even though it is karma, but here it is takes it's the subject of the sentence, Karta. So for Tritiya Vyakti, Shitalapeyena Ruchyate. I need to check that part. Anyway, leave it. We'll see. Let us not waste time on that. Videshataha, next sentence. Videshataha agacchantah bharatiyaihi bharatadeshah shraddhaya namaskritah. So, Bharat, this is Karmani Prayoga. Bharatiyaihi Bharatadesha is namaskritah, saluted. With Shraddha. By whom? Bharatiyaihi. So, therefore, Videshataha means Videshat. Panchamyarte tasil pratyaya. That is, Videshataha is abhiya, indeclinable. Only in Panchami Artha alone it is used, not in any other sense. Videshataha means Videshat. Agachantaha will become Bharatiyaihi.
Agachati.
Then Agachanti is the Pratipadika. Agachantyaihi.
Bharatiyaihi. What vibhakti Bharatiyaihi is?
Ramayaihi Chaturthi.
Not Ramayi. Huh?
1 second. Bharatiyaihi.
Bharati, what vibhakti? Rajaji.
Chaturthi.
Not Chaturthi. Ramaihi. Bharatiyaihi.
Oh,
Tritiya. It is
Bharatiya is the
Karmani.
Pratipadika. Okay, okay.
It's Karmani Prayoga. Karta is in Tritiya Vyakti.
3-1. 3-3, sorry.
It is 3-3. Therefore, Agach
Agachat
Shad
Bihi.
Bihi. Agachad Bihi Bharatiyaihi. Not Ramayaihi. Ramayaihi is there, not Ramayaihi, right? So, only
Yes.
Bharatiya. Bharatiya referring to people who live in Bharat. Taihi. Tritiya Vyakti. Taihi. It's Karmani Prayoga. Karta in Tritiya Vyakti. Bharatadeshaha is the object. Pratama Vyakti. So, therefore, Pratama, if you convert this into Kartari, Agachantaha Bharatiyaha Bharatadesham Shraddhaya Namaskritabhantaha. It would be like that, right? Next one. Uparishtat the Shilakanda which falls. Shilakanda Janaha Bhitaha.
Shilakanda.
Uparishtat Patataha. Simple. Patataha Shilakanda Janaha Bhitaha. From the falling stone which falls from above. And that is a cause for fear for these people. So Janaha Bhitaha, afraid of. Simple. Dash Kanantaha Karmakaranam Shraddham Pashya. See the Shraddha of the workers who what I do? Kanantaha, digging. So therefore here
Kanantam. Kanatam.
what is that, Rajaji?
Ganantam.
Kanatam.
Ganatam.
Shashti, Marutam. Kanatam Karmakaranam Shraddham Pashya. So you need to remember Patanto Patantaha, the Shabda. Patatam, Shashti, here Kanatam. Karunam Pradarshayan Shambhav Bhaktihi Kartavya. Bhaktihi Kartavya Karmani Prayoga. Bhakti should be done towards whom? That is Shambhav Saptami. And who shows what? Compassion. Therefore, Pradarshayan will become
Pradarshayati.
Pradarshayati, yes. Pradarshayati Shambhav Bhaktihi Kartavya. Karunam Pradarshayati. Karuna is a karma for Pradarshana Kriya. Karunam Pradarshayati Shambhav Bhaktihi Kartavya. Vanam Gachanti Sita Na Ruditavati. That's a translation, but we can do Karmani also. What is a Vanam Gachanti now? Srilinga. Sita na ruditavati. Sita did not cry. Vanam gachanti, going to the forest. Gachanti, right? First conjugation. Therefore, num is a must. It's okay. Now karmani would be
Gacchantya,
okay.
Vanam Gacchantya, Sitaya,
Sitaya
Sitaya. Sir, Sitaya na Ruditam.
na ruditam. Yes, that's correct. Ruditam. Napumsakalinga pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Sitaya na ruditam. Manam gacchantya sitaya na ruditam. Akarmaka dhatu, therefore ruditam. Napumsakalinga pratama vibhakti ekavachanam will come. Kridanti Radha Jananim Drishtavati. So the Radha who plays, she saw the mother. So therefore karmani would be
Kridantya, Radaya,
Rad. Yes, Kridantya Radaya
Janani,
Drishta.
Drishta,
Janani Drishta. This is Abhigitam, Srilinga, therefore Drishta. Mother is seen by Kridantya Radaya. Shlokam patanti balika eva gauri. Padam is asti. Shlokam patanti balika eva gauri asti. One who reads a shloka, she is that girl alone, Gauri. So here it become
Patanti will become Patantya.
Patantya.
Balika will become Balikaya.
Gauri is Gauriya.
Gauriya.
Gauriya Bhuyate. This subject is complement, they have to make it. That's also Gauriya Bhuyate. Devam Namanti Sulata Shlokam Muktavati. That is Sulata who worships Deva said some shloka, said shlokas. Devam Namanti, then Namanti will become Namantya, Sulataya, Lokaha, Uktaha, yes. Simple. Then Patim Anusaranti Lopa Mudra Ashramam Pravishhtavati. Following the husband. Lopa Mudra and Pravishhtavati, I mean they came to the ashram. Patim Anusarantya. Lopa Mudra.
Lopamudraya.
Ashrama.
Pravishtaha.
Ashramaha Pravishtaha. Bharam Vahanti Sangeeta Adaha Patitavati. Sangeeta who carries a load, who was carrying a load. Sangeeta fell down. So Bharam
Vahantya.
Sangeetaya. Adaha is aviyam. Adaha Patitam. This is Bhabe Prayogaha. Dhatu is akarmaka dhatu. Karma nasti. Ataha Bhabe Prayogaha. Harismaranam kurvati mata dura darshanam krutavati. Harismaranam. Remembering the Hari. Mata dura darshanam krutavati. He saw from a distance. Okay, Harismaranam kurvatya. Then here
Matraya.
Matra, not Matraya.
Matra.
Matra Shabda, important Shabda. Dura Darshanam Kritam. So Matra, Mata, Matarav, Mataraha. Mataram, मात्रा मातृभ्यां मातृभिः मात्रे मातृभ्यां मातृभ्यः ऋकारान्त शब्द should know कत्तां लिखन्ति वेद श्रीलिंग name of a person गीतं गीतवती कथां
Yeah.
वेदया गीतम is गीतं गीतं क्षीरं ददति धेनुः तृणं कारितवती the cow which gives milk eats the grass. So therefore kshiram धेनुः श्रीलिंग
Dadatya.
तदत्या धेनु धेन्वा धेनुः धेनु धेनवः धेनुं धेनु धेनुः धेन्वा धेनुभ्यां धेनुभिः धेन्वै धेनवे धेनुभ्यां धेनुभ्यः. Okay. Then तृणः तृणं तृणं तृणः
Trinam Napunsakalinga.
नपुंसकलिंग तृणं खादितं. सर्वेभ्यः मधुरं ददति माता पितरं स्मृतवती. Mata who gives madura sweet to all forgot the father. Sarvebhyaha maduram
Dadatya Matra.
matra who is forgotten.
Pitta.
Ita.
Guruji, this is forgotten or remembered, Guruji?
Sorry, Vismarda, I thought, okay, remembered, not forgotten. Sarvebhyaha maduram dadati mata pitaram smrtavati, remembered. Smrtavati is wrong. Smrtavati must be dirgha. It's a mistake. Yes. Pita smrtaha by mata. क्रीडन्त्यः बालिकाः इतस्ततः धावन्ति. Balika who plays, moves, runs here and there. So Karmani would be Davanti becomes
Davyate.
Davyate. By whom? Balika bihi.
Balika bihi.
Then here becomes
Kridat bihi.
Kridat bihi or Creed. What will come?
Balika. 1 second.
Kridanti bihi. Okay, Srilinga. Kridanti is a Pratipadikam. That is why I asked. Kridanti, Kridantyo, Kridantyah. Kridanti is a Pratipadikam. Tritiya will be Kridanti bihi, right?
Yes.
Nadi bihi.
Nadi bihi. Apanam pashyantyah striyah tatra eva sitavatyah. Right? What does it mean? Woman who goes to the mall for buying sarees. They are alone, they remain. Poor husbands waiting at the waiting hall. Day in and day out. They wait for years. Okay, good one, this one. I like this. Apanam pashyantyah striyah. So karmani. Sitavatyah is kartari. Karmani would be Stri Shabda, Stri, Striyo, Striyah, Striyam, Striyo, Stri, Striya, Stribhyam, Stribihi, Stribihi, Stribihi. Stribihi, I think. Stri Shabda, Stri, Striyo, Striyah, Striyam, Striyo, Striya, Striya, Stribhyam, Stribihi. Then Pashyanti becomes Pashyanti bihi.
Pashyanti.
Apanam pashyanti bihi ti bihi tatta eva stitam. Because karma not there. Bhave prayoga. Stadhatu. How can karma be there? Karmani prayoga not. Bhave prayoga. Right?
Yes.
Palani khadantyah vanaryah. Very interesting. Bijani
Shiptavatyah.
What is Vanaryaha?
See,
Monkeys.
female monkeys.
Vanari it is.
Vanari.
Female monkeys. Vanaryaha means don't think Pullinga Vanare Shabda. It cannot be because Kadantyaha is there. So Karmani would be Kadanti Bihi, then Vana,
Vanari bihi.
Vanari Bihi, Bijani. That becomes 1-3. Shiptani. Yes, very good. Shiptani. Right. Nutana griham kshalayantyaha karma karyaha dhanam praptavatyaha. Nutana griham kshalanti. Kshalanti means they clean, wash,
New house.
new house. Who does that?
Workers.
Workers. Karma kari, female workers. They get money. They got money. So Nutana griham ksalayanti bihi. And here karmakari bihi.
Karmakari bihi.
No, karmakari is a pratipadikam. Karmakariyau, karmakariyaha. And dhanam now becomes pratama.
Praptam.
Yes. Karyakrame in the program. Gayantyaha gayikaha mukhya atitim drishtavatyaha. They saw the chief mukhya atiti.
Yes.
So Karyakrame gayanti bihi.
Gayanti bihi.
Then here
Gayika bihi.
Gayika bihi.
Gayika bihi.
Bhagavachanam. Mukhya atitim
Aditi.
atitim drishtaha.
Itihi.
Yes. Atitihi is Pullinga only. Mukhya atitihi, chief guest, is seen by the singers who sings in the program. Shatikam krinatyaha lalanaha karyakramam na gatavatyaha. How will they go when they see sari? Okay. Shatika is sari. Lalanaha is woman. So what will be the lalana bihi, right? And krinat becomes krinati is a pratipadikam. Krinati bihi. Shatikam krinati bihi lalana bihi. Karyakramaha na gataha. Program is was not attended by the woman who buy the saris. Understand?
Krinati is buying.
Krinati bihi. Krinati is a pratipadikam, right? Kri plus na plus. Then Krinat will come. Krinat plus e. Krinati bihi. Yes. No num useless because this is ninth conjugation. 1, 4, 6, 10 only. And sixth conjugation, of course, option is there. Right? Okay, next one. All these are simple and it's good also. Good to know. All Srilinga. Krishnam smarantyaha gopikaha ruditavatyaha. Remembering Krishna, Gopika's cry. So Karmani would be Mrudhatu, first conjugation. That's why Smarantyaha, num is there. Smaranti bihi. Gopika bihi.
Smaranti bihi.
Then Rudi.
Ruditam.
Ruditam.
Oh.
Bhave. Ruditam, Rudidada, Akarmaka Dhatu. Therefore, Bhave Prayoga. Okay. Geetam Shunvatyaha Nartakyaha Sarvam Vismurtavatyaha. Yes. Forgot everything. Geetam, listening to the song, the dancers forgot. Sarvam Vismurtavatyaha. Forgot everything. Everything. Now, Geetam Shunvati. Shunvati.
Shunvati bihi.
And Nartaki becomes
Nartaki.
Sarvam.
Sarvam is Sarvam.
Sarvaha, I can say.
Visprutam.
Vismrtaha, Sarvaha Vismrtaha, is it? Or Sarvam Vismritam, you want to say, your choice, no? It depends. Sarva, because Sarva Pullinga also is there, Napumsakalinga also is there. If you say Sarvam Vismritam, Sarvaha Vismrtaha. Paritoshikam means price. Dadatyaha Shikshakaha Phalam na Kaditavatyaha. Shikshikaha, not Shikshakaha. Paritoshikam Dadatyaha Shikshikaha, the teachers, female teachers, who give Paritoshika prize. They do not. They did not eat fruit. So Paritoshikam.
ददतीभिः शिक्षिकाभिः
Yes. Phalam na
फलं न
Kaditam.
Margam Ajanatyaha. Ajanatya Nyadatu, ninth conjugation. Ajanat. Shrilinga is here it is. Bhaginyaha Kashtam Anubhutavatyaha. Margam Ajanatyaha. Bhaginya, sisters who do not know the path, the way, experienced difficulty. So Ajanat. Ajanat becomes Ajanati, Chilinga. Ajanati, Ajanatyo, Ajanatyaha. So therefore becomes Ajanatibihi. Bhaginyaha becomes
भगिनीभिः
Kashtaha Anubhutaha.
Anubhutam.
Kashtaha Pullinga Anubhutaha. Okay, then here and now very simple. Quickly you can do. It's not a big thing. Lakshmi Gayati Nrityati. Convert Gayati into Shatrantam. What? Gayanti Lakshmi. Lakshmi Nrityati. Simple. So Gayanti. It is. Similarly, Radha Krishnam Pashyati Tushyati becomes
कृष्णं
Pashyanti.
Krishnam Pashyanti Radha Tushyati. Simple.
Tushyati.
Shravya Matram Ahvayati. And Roditi.
श्रव्या
Ahvayanti.
आह्वयन्ति
Shravya. Shravya is the name of the person. Okay.
मातरम् आह्वयन्ति श्रव्या.
Yes. Mataram Ahvayan. Mataram Ahvayanti Shravya Roditi. Right? Let us do as much as possible now. Charulata Uttaram Smarati. Likati. Uttaram
स्मरन्ति चारुलता.
Smaranti. Yes. Charulata. Likati. Then Divya Chintayati Khedam Anubhavati. Khedam is difficulty. Chintayati.
चिन्तयति दिव्या खेदम्
Chintayanti. Numalitam. Divya Khedam Anubhavati. Chintayati 10th conjugation. Okay. Lalita Jalam Anayati. Skalati. Jalam Anayanti. Lalita.
What is skhalati? Skhalati meaning?
Skalanam. Skalanam, Skalati. Skalanam mean touching or What is the sentence? Jalam anayanti Lita Skalana means stammering.
Okay.
Stammering. Stumbling also is there. Stumbles. That is, I think that is better here.
Okay.
Jalam anayanti Lita stumbles. Slips. Sumitra prashnam pashyati. Prashnam
Prashnam prechanti Sumitra.
Sumitra pashyati. Sumitra is the name of the person. Because Tra is the not it's really Tritiya. Shrimati hasayati patayati. So hasayati cause to laugh. Hasayanti is 10th conjugation. I mean first conjugation causative, like 10th conjugation only. Therefore num will be a must. Shrimati patayati.
Okay.
Hasayant Shrimati patayati. Right? Next one. Grihinyaha pakakaryam smaranti and jalpanam. Then what happens? Stakayanti. Pakakaryam
Pakakaryam smaranti.
Smaranti. Bhagavachanam it is.
Grihinyaha.
Grihinyaha, sir. Therefore smarantyaha. Right?
Smarantyah.
Grihinyaha. Kim, what I do? Jalpanam is just rattling, the prattling, just
Gossiping.
Gossiping.
Gossip.
Jalpanam. Stagayanti means stop. Stagayanti, they stop. Pakakaryam smarantyaha, Grihinyaha jalpanam stagayanti. Gopalikaha kshiram duganti krishnam smaranti. So kshiram
Duhantyah.
Smarantyah.
kshiram duganti. Kshiram duganti
Gopalika.
gopalika dugantyaha.
Duhantyah.
Krishnam can say that as it is. Vidyarthinyah Bhagavad Gitam Jananti Triptim Prapnuvanti. Then it would be Bhagavad Gitam Vidyarthinyah is Srilinga.
Janantyah.
Janantyah.
Jananti Vidyarthinyah is Srilinga. Vidyarthini, right? So, Janantyah Vidyarthinyah. Then what they do? Triptim Prapnuvanti. Yeah, they get satisfaction. Balikaha rudanti shalam gachanti. Then becomes
Rudantyah. Rudantyah.
Dantyah.
rudantyah balikaha shalam gachanti. Sahodaryah karyakrame milanti. Sambhashram kurvanti.
Karyakrame milantyah.
Milantyah sahodaryah. Milantyah sahodaryah sambhashram kurvanti. Vyagriyah, female tiger. Vane garjanti. Aharam anvishyanti. So becomes
Gajantyah.
garjantyah. Garjanti, garjantyo, garjantyah. So garjantyah. Aharam vyagriyah. Vyagri Srilinga. Aharam anvishyanti. Anvishyanti anupurvaka ishdatu. Ishkatau. Fourth conjugation. Karyakartaryah nirnayam svikurvanti karyarambam kurvanti. So here becomes
Kurvantyah.
Kurvantyah.
kurvantyah. Tete. Karyakartri. Srilinga. Karyarambam kurvanti. Girhagodikaha Keetam Grinanti Adaha Patanti. Girhagodika Srilinga. Bali, lizard.
Oh.
Grinantyaha, right?
Yaha.
Adaha Patanti. Vruddhaha Karyam Kurvanti Devam Stvanti.
Vanti.
Karyam
Kurvantyaha.
Kurvantyaha Vruddhaha
Devam
Devam
Stvanti.
Stvanti. Jalam Anayantim Sitam Sharada Api Manusrutavati. Already done. So we convert meaning and karmani. Meaning is Sita who brings
water.
Mhm.
Sharada api anusritavanti.
Sharada follows Sita who brings water. So karmani would be Sharada Karta. Therefore Sharada becomes
Sharadaya.
Sharadaya.
Sita.
Sharadaya. Sita is Anayanti, right? Jalam Anayanti Sita. Sharadaya.
Api
What?
Anusrita.
Anusruta.
Anusruta.
Nindantim striyam drishtva anyaha striya kupitavatyah. Having seen the woman who scolds, other woman got angry. Karmani. Stribihi. Here anyaha striyaha. Therefore anyai here becomes anyabihi. Anyabihi stribihi. Okay. That will become kupita striyam. Nindantim striyam. That will not change. Kupitam. Because karma not there. Right? Understand? Palani kadantihi vanarihi drishtva. Balikaha asitavatyaha. Here, kadantihi vanarihi. What vibhakti? What vachanam? 2-3. Nadihi. Karma for drishtva. Therefore will not change. This will not change. Palani kadantihi vanarihi drishtva. Balika becomes Balika bihi. Then asitavatyaha becomes
Asitam.
Davantihi gaha pasya. What is gaha? Gaha is karma. Davantihi itself becomes something you can make out. Nadihi. What will be karmani? Lot karmani.
Davatyaha.
Bhagavachanam, right? Davantibihi. Right? Gobihi. What?
This is already 2-3, no?
Sorry, Kshametam, you're right. Sorry. Not Gobi, Kshametam. Right, sorry.
Karkari.
Already to that. It becomes Kartari. So we start from Kriya Padma always. Drishyatam. The plot lakara is Drishyatam. And this becomes Karta. So therefore, Gauhu Gavaha. Here become Davantyaha. Davantyaha Gavaha. Davantyaha Gav Drishya Drishyatam Ekavachanam. We are doing Karmani, no? Lot Lakara. Karmani lot with Drishyatam. Drishdhato plus Yak plus Tam Drishyatam. Pratama, this is Bhagavachanam. Understand? Right? Then Padyam Punah Punah Smarantya. Padyam is prose. Taya Sumaduram na Geetam. By her, sweetly, na Geetam. Not sung. Sweetly. By her, not the song was not sung sweet. Padyaha Punah Punah Smarantya. So Padyam Punah Punah Smarantya Taya. Sumaduram na Geetam. This is Karmani already. Taya will become then Sa. Sa Sumaduram na Geetavati. Sa becomes this Smaranti. Padyam Punah Smaranti Sa Sumaduram na Geetavati. Uttaram Likantya Vidyartinya Madhye Madhye Alochyate. By the Vidyarthi in between Madhye Alochyate means discussion. Where discussion was done. Madhye. Karmani, this is Karmani. Kartari would be Uttaram
Likati.
Likantya Vidyartinya. Ekavachanam only. Likanti Vidyartini Madhye Alochyate. Alochyate is look dhatu. Look means to see. Alochyate, we have the meaning of dhatu. We have loch dhatu. Loch means to look. Alochanam also is there. Yeah. Alochanam is see. To see. Alochanam also means to speak also is there. Okay. Lochate means to see. And alochyate means maybe with a upasarga it is discussion. So we have to take it. Lochya is darshane.
In Telugu,
In
Telugu, Alochanam means to think.
Yeah, Alochanam. Think, that meaning. Yes.
To discuss also.
Discuss also is there. With upasarga, that meaning gives. Lochyate, loch dhatu means to see. Darshane with upasarga means discuss. Discussion was made by the student who is writing the answer. That's the meaning. Bhakshyani, next one. Kadanti bihi stri bihi bhagu sambhashanam kritam. Bhakshyani means bhakshyam means that which is eatable. It is eaten or eatable. Eatable. Bhakshyam. Bhakshana yogyam. Bhagu sambhashanam kritam. So stri bihi becomes striyau, striyaha. Bhagavachanam kartari will be striyaha. And it becomes kadantyaha, right? Nadi nadyo nadyaha. Bhakshyani kadantyaha striyaha bhagu sambhashanam krita patyaha. Okay. Vastram prakshalayanti bihi rajika. Rajika is Srilinga. Woman, washer woman. Washer woman, yeah. Dirga uchvasaha kriyate. Uchvasa means the breathing. Dirga uchvasena. Uchvasa kriyate, it is karmani. Dirga uchvasam. Rajaka bihi Bhagavachanam is krita vatyaha. By whom? Rajikaha. And prakshalayantiyaha. Vastram prakshalantyah rajikaah dirghochhvasam kritavatyah. Understand? Nrityantye idam paritoshikam diyatam. Karmani prayoga. To the woman who dance, this paritoshikam, this gift may be given. Karmani, this is karmani. Kartari would be, diyatam will become,
Yeah.
what is the lot kartari? Diyatam is karmani. Dadatu. Simple. Dadatu. Paritoshikam dadatu. Nrityantye idam paritoshikam dadatu. Simple. This will bring. Here it is karma. Here it is karma only. Here it is pratama. Here it is dvitiya. To the dancing woman, this dam paritoshikam dadatu. Chitram pashyante balikayai tat chitram rochate. Karmani. Dushdatu has come. Chitram pashyante balikayai will remain as it is. Tat chitram will become tena chitram. Tena chitrena ruchyate.
Guruji.
That picture, that balika, that the balika who sees a picture likes it.
Okay.
Therefore, sampradana will be sampradana. That will not change in karmani prayoga. Only karta and karma will change. Karta will be in tritiya and karma will be in pratama. Here, rochate by that, here, what is abhigita is chitram. Chitrani, suppose if it is that, then rochete, rochante. Chitre means rochete. Therefore, this is abhigitam. In karmani, what happens? This becomes anabhigitam. By that logic, chitrena, ruchyate. And this is apadana, this is sampradana. Sampradana will remain as it is, will not change. This, because why? Previously I thought this is karta and it is put in sampradana, but it is no more karta. The rule is ruchyartha dhatunam, karta will be in sampradana. So it cannot enjoy both sanya, only one sanya, because it is in that particular section in the Ashtadhyayi. So therefore I corrected my statement. Therefore sampradana means sampradana, only one sanya alone can enjoy. It cannot have more than one sanya. Therefore sampradana karaka alone is enjoys. When it's sampradana, then it doesn't have any to do with the karmani prayoga. It will never change. It will remain as it is. Therefore, what is left out is only chitra. That is, what is abhigita. Even if you take this to be the karta, that becomes karma. I mean, even if you take this as a karma, whatever it is, that chitram, which is abhigita by the kriya padam. What is abhigitam by the kriya padam in the kartari prayoga? Karta already put in sampradana. Therefore, this we cannot say as a karta. So that is abhigitam. That becomes anabhigita in karmani prayoga. Therefore, anabhigita will be tritiya. It's a logic. That seems to be better than what I said before. Because I have never seen the ruchyartha, duchdhatoho, karmani rupam. I've tried to find example, but I'm not getting it. I will still try. So this is better. Yeah. In fact, this sounds good also. Tena chitrena ruchyate. That chitra is liked by the balika. Who sees that? Who sees it? Sitam nindanti byaha rakshasi byaha Hanuman kupitavan. Hanuman is angry with Sitam nindanti byaha. So when kupdatu is there, kupkrud, etc., that will go in Chaturthi, towards whom the anger or the emotion is directed. That will be sampradana. So that's why nindanti byaha rakshasi byaha. Sitam nindanti byaha rakshasi byaha Hanuman kupitavan. Karmani would be Hanumata Kupitam.
Kupi-
This will not change. This will remain as it is. Sampradana. Chaturthi it is. Will not change. One more rochate comes. Next one. Tatra tishtantibhyaha lalanabhyaha sangeetam na rochate. Tatra is tatra only. Tishtantibhyaha lalanabhyaha, that is a karta which is in Sampradana Karaka. That is the woman who stand do not like the song. Sangeetena na ruchyate. Tatra tishtantibhyaha lalanabhyaha sangeetena ruchyate. Okay, they like it. Sorry, not do not like. Sangeetam rochate. They like the song. The woman who stands there like the song. Karmani prayoga will be Sangeetena Uchyate, Tatra Tishtantibhyaha Alanabhyaha. Spurantyaha Vidyutaha, Prakashaha Agataha. What vibhakti is Spurantyaha Vidyutaha? What vibhakti?
1-3.
No, cannot be
What?
1-3. Meaning, will not fit in the meaning. Prakasha Agata, that light comes from Vidyut, from the
Oh,
Sparanti. Not because I am saying from, don't say Apadana. It is, Apadana is Dhruvam Apaya Apadanam. Prakasha, the light comes, it originates from the clouds. So, therefore, Spurantyaha Viditaha is Panchami. Prakashaha is Karmani Priyaha Prakashena Agatam. Karmani would be like that. Karma not there. That is a karma.
Guruji,
Prakashaha. Prakashaha Agataha, Prakashaha Agatavan also you can say. Both are correct. Yeah, what is that?
Spurantyaha. What kind? Like, what is the youth?
What is he?
Like, how do we break it down?
Spurantyaha is one word. Spuranti shines.
Spuranti.
Spurati, Spurataha, Spuranti, Kriyapadam. Spurdhatu. First conjugation. Right?
Oh.
Shines. Agacchantyaha, Vyagriyaha, Mrigaha, Bhitaha. What is that? What is vibhakti? Agacchantyaha, Vyagriyaha means. Bhitaha, Mrigaha, Bhitaha, or Bhitavantaha. Both are correct. Karma kadatu can denote karma, karta also. I mean, ta pratyaya can denote karta also. Bhitavantaha also you can say Bhitavantaha or Bhitaha. Both are correct. Now, karmani would be Agacchantyaha, Vyagriyaha. What is vibhakti? Panchami. Vaya Bhitratana Vaya Hetuhu. By that. Mrigaha, Mrigaihi. Bhitam. Understand? Is it clear, all of you? Let's follow, right?
Yes.
Only few more are left out. 183 or something is that? 200. We'll complete in the next class. This is all simple. We can do quickly. Babre, it goes on. 300. And only Shatrantam Samaptam Shivam. But you can do it quickly. It's not big thing. Small exercises. If you can do it, it's very good in your leisure.
Yes.
So today we did many. Okay. So you will never forget in life if you do Shatranta elaborately. Then we will see Shanaj. This also, as I told you, helps you to develop language. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवाद गुरुजी।
धन्यवादः।